Look who's here. Oh yeah, see, it's Rocky. And Jack is hiding. Oh, there you are. Oh, you can see your eyes glowing. Come on, are you gonna come out? You know, it's really funny because a lot of people ask me if they think the kittens ever miss me or yada yada, that kind of thing. And I will tell you that it normally goes about like this, half and half. What you doing? Normally I think about half the kittens do kind of miss being here for a while, not for very long, and then the other half immediately take to their homes. And even when they take to their homes, I still think they remember here. But because I'll tell you, the minute Rocky came in, he was like, oh, and was running around and letting me hold and pet. And Jack, however, who was actually the one that wanted me to love on him the most. Sorry about the eye shine, but I knew Jack was back there, and so I was trying to get where we could see him. Jack, however, is not happy about being here at all. And I have set up the spa. They are going into the spa room momentarily, but I thought I would let them run around for a little bit. They are getting spay and neutered in the morning, and it's easier when they come back instead of putting them back with the other kittens, because they do forget. You know, they do forget, and they hiss and spit at each other. Plus, they can't eat after midnight, and I leave food out, you know, in here in the nursery. So they are going. Oh, hi, baby. Hi. Come on. Oh, yeah. The new owners, the new family, says that Jack, who is actually Marie now, talks constantly. Makes those little chirpy noises constantly. Rocky's name is still Rocky. They kept Rocky. Did change Jack to Marie from the Aristocats, is where Marie from the Aristocats is where Jack got her new name. Oh, up. Oh, good job. But yeah, I'm going to let them run around out here for a little bit, and then they're going to go into the spa room to spend the night, where I'll visit and play with them. And then in the morning, they will go home for the last time. Yeah. Which, I will tell you, Rocky tried to follow them out the door. So, you know, and that's all the signs of a happy family. And I will tell you, their coats have gotten so, like, soft and silky, and just, and they were already soft, but, oh, sorry, that's the oven. But now, oh my goodness, yes. So, they are wonderful and in great health. All right, we made it into the spa. Yes, we did. And I think Jack thinks there's other cats in here because the minute I put her in here, she started hissing. And I sanitized in here, and put a new tunnel and a clean bed and a clean litter box and another clean bed. And then I put some toys and a blanket in the tub and some food out. Oh, see, Jack is hissing. What is it? There's no, I promise, there's no other cats in here. And poor Rocky. Rocky did not want to come at all. But Jack is actually out more. But Jack is out. Jack hid like the entire time almost. Did not like all of the space. So, saying, I know, but done. You had your out time, and now it's time for in here. What are you doing? Are you looking at yourself? And look, if you'll notice, there's not a shower curtain because the Spa family tore it up when the Spa family was in here. When Sophia and all her babies were in here, they tore it up, and I have not gotten a new one yet. Oh well. Okay, well, I'm gonna play with them and make sure they're all right and comfortable. And I would like for Jack to eat. Rocky ate out there. I know, but Jack didn't. And they only have about another hour to eat anything. So I'd really like for them to have a little snack. Will you have a little snack? Huh? Yeah? Maybe? Okay. Say goodbye. Say good morning. Yeah, can you tell everybody good morning? You know, you'd think I starved them to death. It's 11 a.m. and they had their breakfast. I brought them a big breakfast platter. And you can see here. And this was full. Like this whole platter was full. And I brought that at 8:30. It's 11. And look at them. You think they were starving? I mean, even their dry food. Y'all are nuts. But I brought them also some new paper. Because I took it out the other day. Oh, the paper eventually drives me insane. Because they'll get it all. It just drives me insane. But they love it so much. So, I brought them new paper. Didn't I? Yes. Okay. Y'all crack me up. Are you starving? There are a couple of new things in there though, because I did just go to the store because they were out of all the seafood, and so there is tuna something, one of the fancy piece tuna thingies on there, and then some of the beef pate. Hello baby, here, come say hi. Say hi to everyone. Show everybody your face. Look at this one's face. Here, Emily. No, hi, Emily. Oh, no, okay. I cannot. Here, let me, look at me. Emily. Oh, she likes to get up under. Okay. Say hi, Barney. 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 No, okay, Georgie. Oh, look, she looked. Okay, Emily. Look at that. And nothing that I do, like I use the little tear stain pad. Why can't I get them clean? Oh. Hello. Dante, say hi. Oh my goodness, and y'all, the baby's fur, the new little babies, well, they're not really that new anymore, is getting so silky smooth. Yes, isn't it? Now, if I could just get her eyes clean. Look at that. Oh, yeah. I know. And I really do think it's something in this room that's making them sneeze. Because that's still all they're doing. Like even Ringo, I thought Ringo was getting sick, but he's fine. Yeah, so he's fine. Hi. Hi, gorgeous. Were you asleep? Barney was asleep in the basket. Did I bring you new paper? You said, yeah, I brought you some new paper. Yes, I did. Oh. Hello, Georgie. Hello, Georgie, Porgy. Georgie has a lady coming to meet him tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah. Hello. See, there's Ringo. Say, I'm fine. Sometimes I think I just get, look how long Ringo's tail is. Remember when he used to just be a round butterball? Oh. Okay. So we were just going to say good morning. I am going to do some rearranging in here. Oh, bless you. Look at that. They destroy. Ow, 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 ow. And you can tell which are the new flavors because it was this right here. And that's just the regular chicken that they made. I mean, they'll come back and eat it. Don't worry. By the time the next plate comes, that will be completely clean. But of course, they ate the new stuff first. They're so funny.